OnePlus 80 has got a new update that brings some system, camera and network improvement. The update comes with version 11.0.1.2 for OxygenOS 11. What's interesting to see is that the update brings a new Amazon shopping app for better shopping experience. This comes after OnePlus pulled back from pre-installed Facebook on the OnePlus North-facing customer pushback. OnePlus has not shared any information on the update on its forum, thus it is unclear it will have a staged rollout or not. The update with version 11.0.1.2 for the OnePlus 80 brings system improvement, including the aforementioned Amazon shopping app for a better shopping experience. The unlocking experience while using the always-on display has been optimized, and so has the overall power consumption for the phone. In terms of camera improvement, the night scape mode for video has been optimized. The white balance accuracy under different settings has been improved, and the overall app stability has been optimized as well. In the network section, in the update states that the stability of communication function has been improved.